Welcome to the Szkoła Mediacji Masterclass, a premier institution dedicated to the education of mediators since 1989. Our program is built upon the highest international mediation standards, developed by William Fawcett Lincoln in 1996, and further refined by the Polish Chamber of Mediators. The comprehensive framework offered here is recognized by the Integrated Qualification System, ensuring that our graduates meet the necessary qualifications to excel in the field. At Szkoła Mediacji, we provide a robust curriculum that includes 3 full education models and various specialized workshops. These workshops cover essential topics such as drafting agreements, advanced supervision, and online mediation. Additionally, our specialized programs focus on family, economic, criminal, and juvenile mediation, as well as collective and social disputes, including issues within schools and peer conflicts. Each segment is designed to equip participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to navigate the complexities of mediation across different contexts. Upon completing our 60-hour training program, graduates can apply for entry onto the official list of permanent mediators. Following further education, they also have the opportunity to attain certification from the Polish Chamber of Mediators, enrolling in specialized lists of mediators as stipulated by Article 183, Index 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure. This certification is a significant milestone, as it recognizes the mediator's capabilities and commitment to ethical practices within the profession. We understand that transitioning into a career as a mediator can be challenging. To support our graduates, we offer 3 months of additional assistance through workshops and supervision. This mentorship is aimed at fostering confidence and independence in the mediation role, ensuring that our graduates are well prepared to handle real-world situations effectively. Our unique approach is designed to guarantee quality in training and preparation for the mediation profession. Join us at Szkoła Mediacji Masterclass, where excellence in mediation education is our priority. With a track record of successful graduates, we invite you to take this transformative step in your career. Remember, the best have learned from us, and now it's your turn to shine in the field of mediation.